Welcome to the cellular world, where glucose undergoes a transformative journey in a process known as glycolysis. In this series of chemical reactions, glucose is broken down into smaller molecules, releasing energy that cells can use. Our journey begins with glucose, a 6-carbon sugar. To kickstart glycolysis, the cell invests energy by using 2 ATP molecules to activate glucose. One phosphate from the first ATP will then attach to the glucose to make a glucose 6-phosphate, and a phosphate from the second ATP is going to attach to the other end and make a glucose 1,6-phosphate, while the starting 2 ATPs become ADPs. As the glucose phosphates are further processed, energy is released. In this step, NAD+ is reduced to NADH, and the ATP is generated. The energy released in the previous step is now used to convert ADP to ATP. This step marks the first direct production of ATP in glycolysis. The final steps involve the conversion of phosphenyl pyruvate to pyruvate, accompanied by the production of ATP. The glycolysis of glucose in humans will mean that it transforms into lactic acid and then into lactate. When it happens in plants, however, the glucose will transform into ethanol and then CO2. And there you have it, glycolysis! Glucose has been successfully transformed into 2 molecules of pyruvate, yielding ATP and NADH along the way. These products can now fuel various cellular processes, providing the energy needed for life.